So to set the half cut on the printer, you hit the menu here, and in the print settings you can go touch screen, and I have the drop stop off, and I have, if we go to cut settings, this is where we turn the half cut on or off. So you're obviously cutting right through with auto cut. A half cut is just cuts the top layer of the label. So there we go back, and then we can go back to the main screen, and now it says half cut here. So when you print, you can also go one at a time, or hit the shift button and these three little dots once it's done printing. So there's your half cut. Okay, now shift and the print button brings up the number of copies. So this is where you can print as many as you want. Okay, and because it's a half cut, it should print and cut the top half only, so you'll have a string of labels. It should be much easier to handle and easier to apply with. Wow, that's printing. You can see there is your half cut to make life a lot easier. And in the settings also, if you want, when you go back to the print settings and you scroll, you could also sit here. I have the half cut error on, so it should tell you if it's not cutting right through. You can turn that on or off if that annoys you. And there's the depth here. So if you wanted to, if it wasn't cutting quite through or it's cutting too much, you can adjust it here and do a test print on that.